Hello, my name is Annie. I am a representative of Louisville Beauty Academy, a proud Kentucky state licensed and state accredited beauty college. I am here to help you understand how to enroll and start your journey toward becoming a licensed beauty professional. At Louisville Beauty Academy, you can enroll anytime and start immediately. We welcome students on a rolling basis, meaning there are no semester deadlines. You may complete the entire enrollment process online from the comfort of your home, or you are welcome to walk in during business hours and complete it in person with our friendly staff. No appointment is needed. To enroll, simply send us your documents, including a valid driver's license or state ID, your social security card, your high school diploma or translated foreign equivalent, and a passport-style photo or a selfie against a plain white background. You can text these documents to 502-625531 or email them to study@louisvillebeautyacademy.net. Once your documents are submitted, you will choose your program. We offer nail technology at 450 hours, esthetician at 750 hours, cosmetology at 1,500 hours, instructor at 750 hours, shampoo styling at 300 hours, and eyelash certification. Each program has a fixed total package price. While tuition does not change, you may qualify for 50 to 75% off through optional performance-based incentives. Examples include paying in full at enrollment, maintaining consistent weekly attendance, scoring high on theory exams, sharing your progress on social media, collecting 5-star client reviews, and being a positive role model. These are not automatic and must be earned through consistent action. If you choose not to pay in full, you may start with a deposit and make monthly payments of any amount, as long as your balance is fully paid before graduation. Required deposits are $1,200 for nail technology, $1,500 for esthetician, $1,800 for cosmetology and instructor, $1,000 for shampoo styling, and $300 for eyelash certification. Payments can be made online or in person by check, money order, or credit card. Please note, a 7% fee applies for credit card payments. At Louisville Beauty Academy, you control your schedule. We do not require traditional full-time or part-time formats. You can build your own schedule, as long as it follows Kentucky State Board of Cosmetology rules. You must clock in at least once per week. The state requires attendance at least once every 2 weeks. Maximum hours are 7 hours and 55 minutes per day and 40 hours per week. All attendance is recorded using our biometric fingerprint clock system, which is legally required. We are a safe, supportive, family-friendly, and judgment-free school focused on helping you become licensed and start working as fast and affordably as possible. We are proud to have graduated nearly 2,000 students who are now licensed and employed across Kentucky and beyond. If you are ready to begin, come visit us at either of our 2 campuses, centrally located on Bardstown Road and in the South End at Harbor House. We welcome walk-in tours during regular business hours, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can also text or email us anytime. We speak your language, and we proudly serve as Kentucky's most affordable, most flexible, and multi-award-winning beauty school.